What a beautiful morning out here in Hoi An with Cham Island in the background there. Quinn Miller here from Employee Benefits Asia, part of the Tenzing Pacific Services group of companies. Today we're going to talk about one of the most asked questions that I see on Facebook groups is, which insurer do you recommend? That's an extremely broad statement. Insurers fit different profiles for different people of different ages and different circumstances. So when you're thinking about insurance, there's about 12 different factors that go into the price of a policy. So that's things like age, provider quality, benefit limits, their terms and conditions. Do they offer direct billing or not? Do they cover pre-existing conditions or not? Do they cover contact sports or not? So what's good for one person can be completely the wrong provider for somebody else over one of those factors. That's why it's important to use a broker, because a broker can, number one, understand more about your unique circumstances, budget, and preferences, and then find you providers that fit your unique needs, and then present those needs to you and help you find the right plan for you. Now, so when I see that question, that's always the first thing I want to say is use a broker. They don't cost more money. You get impartial advice. Yes, brokers make a commission, but as would an agent who works directly at a company, part of the premium you pay is a commission. Just like if you go to a restaurant, you're not paying the wholesale rates. There is a part of what you pay does go to either A, the direct sales agent at a company, or B, to a broker. So if you're looking for insurance, which one do you recommend? Typically what I recommend is companies that I consider the best value. They're not the cheapest, they're not the highest, they're somewhere in the middle. So some of those companies here in Vietnam would be Luma, Henner, April, and then offshore providers. There's a bunch of them. There's Morgan Price, there's Vumi, and there's Cigna. There's a whole bunch of providers. They fit different needs for different people who have different preferences and are at different stages in their lives. So which providers do I recommend? It depends on you. It depends on what you're interested in, what your budget is, what risk tolerance you have. And usually what happens with insurance is somebody has an ideal plan in their mind. They want this, 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 and this. But usually when they see that price, they're going to have to make a concession of some sort. So those concessions are either not having a benefit that they want, not having a service that they want, such as direct billing, or they're going to have to pay more than they expected, or be with a provider that offers some downside risk. So that's my number one recommendation. When I hear that question is what providers do you recommend, is there's a lot of variables that go into that. So keep that in mind. When you see comments from people on Facebook, what's good for one person may be completely wrong for somebody else. If you're looking for quotes, get in touch with me today. My details are in the bio or in the link on this post. And what I'll do is I'll get you some quotes, get some information from you, and help you make an informed decision from there. All right, thanks. Have a good one, guys. Quinn Miller here from Employee Benefits Asia.